what's up, fellas? This is the video for this 4-ounce $100 silver bill. We are live. 1034. List here. We got 5 entries. Travis on the top, Steven on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 7 times at 1034. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. We got Ryan on the top. We must go 7. 1034. 1034. Good luck, wish. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this $100 silver bill. Congratulations. Goes to spot 5, Steven. Congratulations, Steven. Send me a PM and I'll ship this out to you tomorrow. We are done at 1034. 1034. Congratulations, Steven. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Hope you're having a good night. Try and stay warm. I think it's like, 7 degrees outside here in Pennsylvania. So hopefully it's warmer where you are. Take care.